Kusasangpo, hello, namaste, and tashidale to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, friends. Friends, today's blog is about how I built my memories with my two beautiful nieces that I can cherish for life. Friends, our day actually started with this kitten that we found on the street that was just walking blindly.
They're going to take you to the hospital.
The more closely we looked at the cat, it was just walking on the first two legs. And also, both the eyes were closed.
Shortcut देखेको मै यहाँ YouTube को सोल्नु न दानी बाङ म जताल मेप दियो हांगेर जताल मेप दियो हांगेर पक्नु
So now, friends, our mission is to take this cat to the veterinary hospital. And here we go now. And you know what, friends? It was just so beautiful to see the cat was loving the attention being carried around.
I think you know purpose to show you the pisca de lego chile mati paik thane no khama chhe ni ashi madi like pa mora chitin ko rakhle ste like ko mai ani o dai room me chho gela ashin ama like ta chen ama ro shonong phyola ni nang ko vido ha to bu bile me rokte yola to man har bile ni roye ha ai ang ta chona ko churu ya shibla sempre ma ka shibla ai 10 रुपये में रोनी 10 बोंग क्या है नी वही चुना से नंगा मागा 10 रुपये में सांग पॉफी करो मांगा मनी ये तो बिंसिंग हाँ ये तो बिंसिंग ये बिंसिंग से मैं खाई दो मैं कॉल दूँगा ना Mala. Ramo is any stuff thrown up on animal husband. Stuff like
So, friends, finally we reached the animal hospital, but unfortunately, the gate was locked, and my niece, she decided to call since she knew some of the people who worked in that animal hospital.
Ibu. Mangeni unchuni hani piska tharba ni sho. Amma. Asala chadang mai yondo sho. Yalla dungma 빨리 초가있어. 텍스가 너무 눈물이 엄청 롱. 하? 이 prescription 빈탄 자당.
So friends, what we eventually found out was that this cat has already been brought to the hospital earlier, and all the required medication has been provided to the owner. And now what we are doing? So we are just waiting for a cab, and we will have to drop the cat back to where we found it, or like maybe somewhere closer to one of the buildings. The owner might come and take it. So fast recovery cat, we have to drop you back, and see you soon. Get well soon. Friends, what I have noticed is the cat was feeling so peaceful while it was being carried to the hospital, and now we're dropping her back. And just the thought of that, how happy and peaceful she looked, made my day, friends. So after dropping the cat, we dropped the cat at a very safe place, and we decided to go and spend some time at the temple here in the town to pray for the cat's fast recovery and also for all the sentient beings. So friends, when I look back, you know what? I had a wonderful experience today and a wonderful time spent with my niece, with lots of, fun-filled day and laughter. Friends, that same following evening, I was so lucky to experience this beautiful sunset that was just happening, and also was so excited to share with you all, friends. And friends, when I was just watching the sunset, I could hear a lot of noise from the from the bordering town of Jaigang, West Bengal. That is just right across. If you see after the tower and you see those small buildings, that is actually West Bengal, Jaigang town. And like I said, it brought me a lot of memories, like old memories that I used to spend my time there in Jaigang, India, how we were allowed to cross the border, go to Jaigang and do some shopping, come back, and people for Jaigang also, they were able to come to Bhutan and enjoy our beautiful country. But you know what, friends? Now, because of pandemic, neither can we go to Jaigang, or neither can the people from Jaigang come to our Bhutan. So friends, it's just a reminder that, nothing is permanent, friends. What was so beautiful 2.5 years ago before the pandemic, it is not there anymore. So friends, again, I'm mentioning this again, that how impermanent our life is, friends. So friends, with that said, please spread a lot of love, happiness, and peace to everyone, friends. Hi friends, don't go yet. Most fun part of the video is yet to come, and I guarantee you are not going to regret. So friends, here it is. Cuma? Demperang.